Welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share to your friends, and hit the notifications button. Today's video is about unboxing the OPPO Find X5 Pro smartphone and comparing it with Samsung S22 Ultra and iPhone 13 Pro Max. It's my advanced birthday gift. Thank you so much, I appreciate it. Here's the phone, black color. Let's switch on the phone. It is coming with original charger. And free back cover. International warranty. Smart band. Wireless earphones. Comparison and review. Display type. Display refresh rate. Display size. Display resolution. Display PPI. Display protection. Performance chipset. Performance CPU. Performance GPU. Performance storage. Performance card slot. Performance OS. Camera. Selfie. Video. Battery size. Battery charging. Body rating. Rear build. Weight. Length. Width. 5 grams. Head jack. NFC. Price. Final results. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like.